Hi guys, Jay here from Notion Family. I just wanted to take you through our food diary and everything that it involves. It's really great if you've been asked just to track food. You might have to do this for several weeks and they just really want to be able to see what you're eating. So it's really simple and it's set up so that you can see a simple view on your phone and just bookmark this page and add it in, and then all you need to do is come in here and add your food each day. So it's really quick. You can add a time in, but even quicker, you can just, it'll already select a date for you. So you just fill in what the food was, you can fill in the volume here, you can fill in the brands, and you may create a list of brands so it's easier. You can put in the ingredients. Sometimes people will write that they're having spaghetti, other times, and then they want to put in all the ingredients. Other times they may add in every ingredient individually. You can then write any notes or reactions that you have, and you've also got the chance to distinguish between this being a safe food or a trial food. This is not the best database for this, but some people just like to have that feature in a really simple food diary, and so this is your simple food diary where you can mark those things and just take note of them. But there are other databases and other templates that I give you that are better for that. So this is a great way to add things in. You get a little section where you can just add some notes, and then this is what you are going to be sending to your doctor or dietitian to see. You can set it up so that it's in a calendar view. They can look to see everything you've eaten. That doesn't suit everybody, and so you can also look at it in a table view where you can see all the food and all the ingredients and what's been had. It marks for you, was this a trial food or not, so that you can see everything. This particular database doesn't really cater for too much else, like reactions tracking or tracking your bowel movements or anything like that. You can make note of it, but this isn't the best database. If you want to track your food and your bowel motions and your reactions because you know you're having them, then look at one of my other templates.